This was an interesting one, naming things. Most of them store data in buckets. Microsoft chose the naming containers rather than buckets for their Azure Blob Storage. Why is this confusing? Because containers are typically associated with running instances of Docker images, not with storing blob objects. Yeah, I mean, that is true. Yeah, it's kind of like containers has almost become it's almost become like a verb, really, hasn't it? It's almost like you Google it, right? Oh, we're going to go Google that, or we're going to Photoshop that. And it's very true that the use of the phrase container is now very much associated with Docker and containerization. So for Microsoft to have used that instead of buckets is essentially yeah, it's an interesting one. I can't understand why they did that. Maybe they're just trying to stand out a little bit, like because you've got S3 buckets. But then GCS uses the term buckets as well. So I don't know why they didn't just go with buckets and just keep it consistent. I like this Phil Carlton quote here. There are only two hard things in computer science: cache validation and naming things. I wonder if, I mean, that's a cool saying, but I wonder if he knew about distributed workloads before I wonder if distributed workloads or distributed computing was a thing when he coined that one.